Good morning, guys. In front of me is LENOVO Tab M11, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. At first, open the settings, then find and select General Settings. Here you will notice Backup. Click to open, and all you have to do to activate Backup with Google One is to click on Turn On. And that's it. If you are already logged in with your account, it will be uploaded here automatically. And if you are not, you will have to provide your email address or phone number, the one that is connected with your device, with your account, along with the password. So this is it. From now on, your device backs up automatically over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.